everybody and welcome back to
Hobie's Nature Club.
Today. It's been raining all morning, but we're okay because we've put our coats on, haven't we?
Yeah.
Our cosy waterproofs on. But we've decided to do some more foraging and finding some wild things that we can do what with? Eat. So we're going to go and try and find some, do you know what? Dandelions.
Dandelions?
Yep, dandelions. Come on then, let's go.
Okay.
I've got a bit of a problem. I can't find Hobie anywhere. Can you help me find him? Ah, I found you!
Oh. Mommy, I found them.
Yeah, so many dandelions. You know, the great thing about this activity is that you can do it anywhere. If you've got loads of dandelions in your garden, if you've got them in a park nearby, even on the side of a road. We see loads, don't we, Hobie? We're always pointing out how many dandelions there are at the moment.
Yeah.
Because loads of places are growing wild flowers. And dandelions are a wild flower.
Yeah.
Who likes them best?
Me?
Other than you, who likes dandelions best? Why do we let them grow?
Hobbies.
The bumblebees. 20 dandelion heads. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go. When you're picking the dandelions, please make sure that you do it where there's loads of them, so you're not changing the habitat for the bumblebees and all the nature that loves them so much.
Put them in the bowl with water in, and then take them out, and then take the petals off, and then put them on
Kitchen towel.
kitchen towel.
So they're nice and dry. Come on then, help me take the petals off. So we'll just take the green bit off at the bottom and pull the petals out of the green bit, and then you can spread them out so they're going to dry. Okay, so it's only the petals that we want to use, isn't it?
Yeah. This is fun. This is really fun. The dandelions are dry now. Now we can make cookies. Yay!
Yay, we're going to make our dandelion cookies. So we need to put our 125 grams of butter into there,
Okay.
into the bowl.
How?
Just tip it in.
Okay.
You can use a spoon if it's stuck, or your fingers. And then 100 grams of sugar. Well done, and then you need to mix it all up. That's the challenge. Don't need the bits in the bottom of the bowl, otherwise it won't be enough, will it? You're doing so, look at that. So that's all
It's
nicely.
like cotton
Do
candy.
you think that's creamed together? Does that look like a bit like cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you've done
And
a
it
good.
looks like cotton candy.
You've done a good job there. So now what you need to do is to grate the lemon. Okay, so you're going to put some lemon peel in. Want to mix it up?
Yeah.
Right, so now you've done that,
Yeah.
you need to, we'll put that to the side, and you can break an egg in here.
Oh yeah, okay.
You like breaking eggs, don't you? Yeah. Try not to get any shell in it though. Use both hands. Remember how to do it when you go like that?
Yeah.
So crack it on there.
Oh.
Bit more, bit more. And then put it over the bowl, the jug. Break the shell and let it drop in. Well done, good effort. That was great. Oh, you can get a little bit of shell out. Where is it? Oh no, that's fine. That's not shell. Good boy. Right, and then you need to squeeze the lemon juice into there.
Up to 100.
Oh, that's good. So it's meant to be a tablespoon, but I reckon that's just over a tablespoon, so hopefully it'll be enough. That'll be all right, I mean.
Wait,
Right, do you want to whisk it up? Right, so what we're going to do now is add a bit of our flour. And then, what's the last ingredient, the most important one, do you think? What have we got left that we haven't added yet?
Cooking.
What did we go and pick?
Oh. What are they called?
You know.
What are they called?
Dandy. Rah!
Dandies.
Go on then, tip those in. Mixture now and it's all ready, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a spoonful, Hobie, like this, and then all you're going to do is scrape it off and then splodge it, hopefully, into a kind of biscuit cookie kind of shape.
Shall we put them in the hot oven, Mummy?
Yeah, that's a good idea. So we're going to put them in the oven at 180 Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Here you go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
They've gone nice and hard now, you see, they're not all sloppy anymore. Right, you put them on one of the shelves. Well done, and we had 2 spare, didn't we? So I'll put that one in. Bye-bye, cookies.
Bye-bye.
See you in a minute.
Mummy!
Yeah?
It's ready.
Oh, cool. Should we get them out?
Yes. And then we just put it...
I'll get them out because they're going to be hot, okay?
Okay. Oh, yummy.
Oh. Ooh,
Yummy.
what's happened? Look.
No, I want to try.
What did we do?
Make them all smush together.
We've made them a bit big because they've all smushed together, but they're still going to be yummy, aren't they? So it doesn't
Yummy,
really...
yummy.
So all you need to do is put them onto a cooling rack now and let them cool down for a bit, and then we can...
Eat them. Eat them. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Eat them. Eat them. Eat them. Oh, it smells like lemons. Mummy, I can't wait any longer.
Okay, come on then, let's have one. You take one and I take... Oh, you've broken it in half. Go on then. What does it taste like?
Mmm.
Mmm.
This is very nice.
They're good. Dandelion cookies are really good, aren't they, Hobie? So, we hope that you have fun picking the dandelions and making the cookies with your mummies and daddies. Oh, and by the way, come on England, they're in the finals tonight of the Euros.
It's coming home, it's coming home, football's coming home.
Yeah, so remember to...
Have fun in nature, learn to nurture.
Bye, remember to subscribe.
Yeah.